morning. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back. Day 5. Definitely almost walked up out of here without doing the style, so I'm definitely pressed for time today. It's 7:15. As you can see, my hair is still in that half bun from yesterday. And what I'm probably gonna do is start something now and then just add to it as I reach my destination, and so I'm not late for work. But the goal of what we're gonna do today is it's a jumbo barrel twist, barrel roll, whatever you want to call it, barrel twist or barrel roll. But that's the goal, something simple to knock out. And I'm not gonna talk through this one so much because I made a very good and extensive tutorial on how to complete this style, which is gonna be linked in the card. So if you need like further explanation of what's going on, go check that out. All right, so that's our jumbo barrel twist. You can choose to go all the way down with that, but my setup isn't right for a mirror situation, so I can't really see, and the hair is starting to get smaller to go around such larger pieces. So you could, you know, embellish your style a little more. You can add, you can secure this with a rubber band. All I did was tuck it, and you could double train twist the ends down or plait them down, or you do something down. You can just leave them like that. I'm gonna leave them like that and call it a day, and we're good to go. That style took me 8 minutes, so I could have used the full 15, but I don't know what Atlanta traffic's gonna be like today, so gotta jet. But as always, if you've enjoyed this content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, answer any poll questions that have popped out. You can pretty much, if you hit the poll right now, it'll show you all the questions that have showed up in this video thus far. And let me know what you like, what you didn't like about it. This is, like I said, this is really quick. I completely forgot to do a style today, so just something that, you know, get you out the door, essentially. Yeah. Be easy.